Good morning, Jai Hind everyone. This is Abhishek Kumar Tiwari, Sunbeam School, Gazipur. Today I'm taking the very important lecture that is the name of seeding fixture procedure. Seeding fixture procedure, what do you mean of these things? The seeding means placing the good teams according to previous position holder at the beneficiary places. Seeding is the process of playing in which some team of the last year performance are given seeding. First four teams of the previous year are meet before semi-final, but is a few tournaments these seedings teams can play directly in the quarterfinals. It is given in the knockout fixtures. In the simple words, seeding is a placing the good teams at privilege place in the picture so that the should be not compact at initial round according to tournament's rules up to the quarterfinals depending upon the organizer. Seeding improves the knockout fixture as it prevents good teams from clashing at the earlier rounds, whereas weak teams get eliminated. The seeding method to avoid strong teams competing with each other in initial rounds. Strong teams, based on their previous performance, are selected to keep a appropriate place in the fixture. Generally, the seeded team are in the power of the 2, 4, 8, and 16, etc. A first seed is kept on the top of upper half. Second seed is kept on the bottom of the lower half. Third seed is kept on the bottom of upper half. Fourth seeded is kept on the top, the lower half, and so on. Remaining team are kept in the fixture by lots. The first example, placing the seeded teams. Same rule is there. This number of the team is 13. Number of the matches 13 minus 1. It is 12 matches there. Upper half n plus 1 upon 2 means n is the number of the team. Number of the team is 13 plus 1 upon 2. Then get the result 7. Upper half divided 7 team is there. See there, upper half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then lower half n minus 1 upon 2 because this is a odd team. 6. The here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is given to the is showing to you is a lower half. This is a upper half. Clear? Then number of the buys. Power of the 2 is decide the number of the buys. The 2 into 2 into 2. The 4 times 2 is there. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Before the 16 is the more than number of the teams, then minus the 16 minus 13, they get the result 3 buys. The number of the round is 4. 2 pay power 4. Due to that reason, number of the round is 4. Seeded team is 4. Then we simply same places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Then upper half and lower half. After that, first seed team is given to here. Second seed, lower half, last team. Third seed, lower half, first team. Clear? Number 8 1. And fourth seed is given to the upper half, last team. Same we are given to buy like this. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. Same sequence we are given to this one. After that, it is a simple setting team. Clear? Include the buy also there. After then, 13 ounce. The how many buy is given? 3. The first buy is given to 13 number. First buy is given to upper half first team and third buy given to lower half first team. 3 buys given. After then simply play the knockout matches there. Clear? Understood beta? First match 2 versus 3. After then 3 versus 5. 4 versus 5. 6 versus. After that 6 versus 7. Clear? Then 9 versus 10, 11 versus 12. After that, those who get the winner last quarter final, they'll play the seeded team also there. Clear? Understood everyone? Same sequence we follow the knockout fixture. Volume placing of the seeding team. It's clear beta? Then final winner is there. Understood everyone? The second seeded team. Special seeding. student, this is very important for you, the how to special shading. Special shading is that not include the seeded teams minus the included teams. Clear? Then total number of the 20 team is there. Clear? There we are not count the seeded teams. 20 minus 4 because 4 team is seeded there. Then 4 minus the total number of the team is 16. The 16 number of the team is there because 4 seeded team will not counted because they directly play the quarterfinals. Clear? And there is a buy is not in front of their buy is not given to that teams. Clear? Directly they are participate the quarterfinal. Then very important for there, then total number of the 8 upside upper half, total how many team is there, 10 upside and 10 downside is there because this is a even number. Then team is even number, to use the formula n upon 2 lower half, and the n upon 2 the number of the teams 20 upon 2 the 10 is a 10 team is the upper half and 10 team is the lower half. After that the total team, the when we are the 20 minus 4, then total result is the 16. The 16 teams when we make the picture, then the par the 2 is decide how many round is there, 4 round, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 16. The 16 team also there because we are not count the seeded team is there because seeded team when we count then 16 plus 4 it's called 20. Then we have the minus of the 4 team is the total of the 16. The 16 minus 16 total number the round is 16 and team also 16. 8 team is upper side and lower side. Clear? The minus 20. Then buy is 0. That the buy is not given that picture, then play first round 2 versus 3, 4 versus 5, 6 versus 7, 8 versus 9. After then 12 versus 13, 14 versus 15, 16 versus 17, 18 versus 19. After this one team is a winner. Next we'll play together 1 and 2 ones also. Here also same. Here also same player. Okay. After that seeded team will be directly because when you get the 2 team is there, seeded team will be directly participate there 1 and here also 2. Clear? Then here also 1 is also 2. Clear? After that 4 team is there. Clear? 4 team will play to each other. Clear? Understood beta? After that final match will be there. This is a final, semi-final. This is a quarter-final. The C team will directly participate quarter-final. Everyone understood beta? Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.